The all-new iPhone 17 series is coming very soon, and Apple is set to shake things up big time. The lineup will include the regular iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and a brand new model called the iPhone 17 Air, which replaces the Plus in the lineup. The Air is rumored to be just 5.5 millimeters thin, insanely slim, even thinner than Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge. But that's not all. The Pro is getting a fresh new look with a horizontal camera bar across the back, giving off some Google Pixel 10 vibes. But of course, Apple's version is going to look way more premium. And honestly, that's just the beginning. Apple is packing some crazy new features and upgrades in this series that are set to make it a total game changer. The standard iPhone 17 is also stepping up with a 6.3-inch display. And for the first time ever, every single model might come with a buttery smooth 120Hz ProMotion screen. No more Pro-only exclusives. Huge win for regular users. And the Air? That thing is expected to launch with Apple's first in-house 5G chip. That's a big move for speed, battery life, and overall performance. On top of that, the cameras are getting a massive glow-up. Leaks say we're looking at 24-megapixel selfie shooters across all models, while the Pro lineup could pack triple 48-megapixel lenses with an 8 times optical zoom. Performance-wise, it's looking like 12 gigabytes of RAM for the Pro and Air, and 8 gigabytes for the regular 17. Charging's finally catching up too, with 35 watts wired and 25W wireless speeds thanks to Qi 2. And for the gamers, the Pro models are expected to get a new thermal cooling system designed to handle heavy performance without overheating. Now, let's talk dates. Apple's keynote is locked in for September 9th. Pre-orders go live September 12th, and official launch day is September 19th. If you want one on day one, you already know. You gotta move fast because these will sell out quick. And don't forget, iOS 26 drops on September 15th, bringing new features not just to the iPhone 17, but all the way back to the iPhone 11. Props to Apple for that. Okay, now the part nobody loves, prices. Expect around a $50 bump across the lineup. So the Pro could start at about $1,049, and the Pro Max somewhere around $1,199 to $1,249. But usually, Apple adds more base storage, so you're kind of paying more but also getting more. So here's the real question. Are you team iPhone 17 Air for that insanely thin design? Or are you going full beast mode with the Pro Max and those crazy cameras? Drop your pick in the comments. Let's see which squad is winning.